Let's continue Python for AWS data engineering. In this session, let's continue VS Code installation and first Python program using VS Code. First Python program using VS Code. So we follow these steps for installation team. First, we download VS Code, then install VS Code, uh, start VS Code, and create a new project, and then add Python extension to VS Code, then write Python program. Write Python program. So to write Python program, we create workspace. We add folder to our Python programs. Then we have a option add workspace folder to VS Code. Then once we add it, we create Python files. Okay, let's see step by step. Let's open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome and let's search VS Code download. Click on first link and it is providing link to download VS Code for different operating systems. And here I want to download for Windows. Click on this Windows logo and it will start downloading. Yes, I want to download. Let's wait a few seconds to downloading. Yeah. Download is completed. Let's open download location. Yeah, double click on this downloaded file. Then click on I accept agreement. Then click on next button. Choose all default options. Click on next button. Click on next button. And here create icon on desktop. Click on next button. Click on install. Yeah. So uncheck this option. Click on finish. So VS Code installation is successful. It is created icon in desktop. You can also search in search bar VS Code. You can see this VS Code icon. You can double click on this one. It will start VS Code. So before that, to create Python program, create a workspace. We have already created a workspace in our C drive. In C drive, you can see workspace. And I have already created a folder for Python for AWS data engineering. Okay. Let's go to start VS Code. Click on start VS Code. Here you can see open folder or go to file, or you can see open folder. You can click on any one. Click on open folder. Go to your C drive. Go to workspace and select this Python for AWS data engineering. Select this folder. Open folder. Go to C drive. Go to workspace. Select this folder. Select the folder. So it is opened that folder. And important point is you need to add Python extension to run Python programs in VS Code. So here left side, you can see this option extensions. Here type Python. You can see first link, first extension. See, this is first extension, second one. You can see Python. Here you can see Microsoft. Here I already installed, that's why it is not showing install. I uninstalled that option. You can see once you select this icon, Python, then you can see install. Click on install. Okay. Now go to file, and here this is our workspace, Python for AWS data engineering. Here we have to create a new file. Above top, you can see new file. Click on new file, and file name is demo.py. Then write a Python program. I'm writing Python program. Let's say print welcome to Python world. Then you can create variables a equal to 5, b equal to 10, and result equal to a plus b. Then print a is, I'm printing a value. Next one, print b value. Print sum of a comma b value. Then print b is, I'm printing b value. Then print sum of a comma b is. Then I'm printing result. Once you develop this program, you have to save. Control S saves your program. Right click on this program. You can see here, you can see run Python in terminal. Click on run Python in terminal. So it is executed. You are seeing output of your Python program. Okay. And other way to run, go to terminal, click on new terminal. Then here you can run your program. Python space demo.py. One, you can right click here. You can use run Python in terminal, or you can open terminal, new terminal, execute command saying Python space demo.py. Clear writing, how to write a Python program in VS Code, how to run Python program in VS Code.